So today we want to remember one special person. He is no longer with us, but he is always close to our heart, and that is none other than Chikwa, my grandpa. He is my mom's dad. He is no more, and grandpa, we remember you at this moment, and we want to dedicate you this egg recipe. My grandpa used to like this egg recipe a lot. He used to travel all the way from Chikmagalur. It's a 4-hour long drive from Chikmagalur to Puttur. So he used to have this recipe, he used to enjoy a lot. Even then, when he got shifted to Mangalore, often he used to come here and used to ask with my mom to prepare this recipe. This recipe is very close to his heart. Wish you were here right now. We could have great times together. But God's wish was something else. We never felt that you are not with us, and you have showered us with your blessings. Thank you so much, Grandpa. We always love you. May your soul rest in peace. So today we are going to show you how to prepare authentic Indian style egg curry recipe. This recipe is very easy to follow, and this recipe has been recommended by Prems R. Prems R, shout out to you, and he has commented, upload your mom's egg curry recipe, would like to see her recipe. So thank you so much, Prem, for giving us your suggestions, which means a lot to us, and this recipe is for you as well. Without further ado, let's start today's video. So first we need to prepare the masala. So the ingredients are as follows: 15 Kashmiri red chilies, 4 short red chilies. Now add 1.5 teaspoon of coriander seeds. Now add half teaspoon of jeera. Now add pinch of mustard seeds. Now add 10 black peppercorns. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now add small piece of cinnamon. Now add 3 cloves. Now add 4 to 5 garlic flakes. Now add 1 green chili. Now add 1 2-inch ginger. Now add 1 medium sized onion. Now add 1 small piece of tamarind. And along with this you require half freshly grated coconut. Over here we have added all the masala ingredients and the coconut to the grinder, and now we need to make a fine grounded paste for the egg curry. So to prepare egg curry, we require 12 eggs. Out of these 12 eggs, we will boil around 5 eggs, and the rest 7 eggs we will add directly into the curry. So now let's see how to perfectly boil the eggs. Now to boil the eggs, we have taken adequate quantity of water in a saucer pan. Now add the eggs. Make sure to keep the gas on medium flame. Now to this add little salt. Now to this add little vinegar. And now let the eggs cook on medium flame for around 10 minutes, and make sure not to close the lid. If you close the lid, the water starts boiling, and then the water becomes rigorous, which finally ends up breaking the eggs. So therefore do not close the lid. Let it be open and let it cook on medium flame. Meanwhile, when the eggs are being cooked, let's prepare the potatoes to boil. So let's start the potatoes by peeling off the skin. So yeah, here we have taken the 3 potatoes. Once you are done peeling off the skin, transfer it to the water, because the potato starts discoloring fast when it is exposed to atmosphere. And now cut the potatoes into half, and then half into quarter pieces. And now add these potatoes into boiling water. Now add little salt and let these potatoes cook for 5 minutes. So folks, it's been around 5 minutes and the potatoes are being cooked up to 50%. And as you can see over here, just mash with your fingers. The potatoes are soft, but it's not breaking apart. That means it's been not overcooked. And as I told you earlier, the rest 50% it will cook in the curry. So This is more than sufficient as of now. The potatoes are cooked and here the eggs are also boiled. And now let's transfer the eggs to the tap water. Before shelling it off, let the eggs cool down to room temperature and then we'll remove the shell. Now place the cooking pot on the stove, add little oil. Now add 1 tablespoon of homemade ghee. Now add 1 finely chopped onion. Now fry these onions till it turns slight brown. Once the onion turns slight brown, add handful of curry leaves. Wow, look at the aroma of the curry leaves. It smells so yum. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. And now fry the ginger garlic paste till it gets rid of its raw flavor. And now add 2 finely chopped tomatoes. And fry these tomatoes till it becomes nice and soft. Now, once the tomatoes are nice and soft and all other ingredients are blended with the tomato, let's add the fine grounded masala. And now, fry this masala nice and thoroughly for 2-3 minutes with the oil and the ghee till it gets rid of its raw flavor and it starts leaving oil in it. As you can see here folks, the masala has started releasing oil in it. That means it's time to add the water. So add water till the masala reaches to the consistency as shown here. It should be a bit light and running, not very thick. Now add little salt as per the requirement. Now put on the lid and leave it to boil. Now when the gravy starts bubbling up, give a quick shot of mix and check the salt if required. Now once you're done checking and adding the salt as per the requirement, put the gas on simmer and now it's time to add the eggs to the curry. So now let's break the egg and transfer it to the cup. And now slowly place it in curry. Wow, that's so satisfying folks. Here we are adding the eggs in a circular manner. Do not overlap on top of each other and also do not rush out, then you might end up spreading the egg in the curry. The egg should stick to its one place, so just be careful about that. Now put on the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes before the boiled egg goes into it. Now let's deshell the egg. Give few dabs on the outer shell of the egg and then the shell will crack. The shell comes off easily from the egg, and as you can see, the egg is intact. There is no breakage in the egg. So that is how we cook the eggs. Now it's been 5 minutes. Let's open the lid. Wow, as you can see over here, the eggs have swelled up, which means it has been cooked, and now it's time to add the potatoes and the boiled eggs. Since we added the raw eggs into the curry, we haven't used spoon to stir or to mix the curry. It's because if you use the spoon, then your eggs might end up shredding in the curry. So now let's give 2 or 3 shakes to the curry so that everything gets mixed up nice and easily. Wow, look at that. Here your eggs are safe. The eggs won't get shredded up in the curry. it will remain intact, and this is how you mix up everything nice and thoroughly. Now put on the lid and let it cook for another 5 more minutes, and there you go guys, the yummy and delicious egg curry is ready to serve hot. But just wait for 5 minutes, your curry will be done soon. So now let's open the lid and let's see. Wow, it looks so yum guys, and the eggs are properly cooked. The oil is floating on the top. That means the curry has come out so good. So yeah, now let's remove the egg and see. Wow, look at this folks. The egg looks fluffy, it looks soft, and it's intact. That's why we told you folks not to use the stick to stir, just to give a few shakes, and this is the result of that.
Hello friends, we are done with egg curry. It's come out too good. It's yummy, delicious. Do not forget to try this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.